年初一唤醒你，公鸡门外呜呜啼，仿佛在告诉你，大地迎接新一季。祝你今年大顺利，一直向前，永远不放弃。欢笑呼吸，好的练习，祝你恭喜。恭喜你，用力的转呀，好运气，春风吹过了就风生水起，今年人人有转机。大声说恭喜，恭喜你，转呀转呀转，大转机，做一个笑容满面的自己。财神也会爱上你，大声说恭喜，恭喜你，用力的转呀，好运气，春风吹过了就风生水起，今年人人有转机。
Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Oops, I pressed wrongly. Hello. Let me set up my screen first. Okay. Hi, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Wait, how come there's an echo? Nice. Okay, I hope you can hear me loud and clear. Hi, DT, Perry, Bao Jie, Perry, SB Lai. Heading is wrong. Oh, yeah. Okay, it's already 3rd of Feb, right? Alamak, still sleeping. Wait, let me okay, just, I hope you can hear me loud. Let me just change the date. Let me just change the date to 3rd of Feb. Okay, change to 3rd of Feb already. You should be able to see me and see the change. 海啦，林明坤，因为我还想念2号啊，所以对2号依依不舍。诶，我的视频好像发生状况哦，大家等一等。哎呀，最近这个 YouTube 又不合作，有一点点状况。Set up my screen first. Okay, 好像好多了。Yeah, I'm back. 豆腐 Jared never eat tofu today. Never mind. Like I said, understand how it works so that next time you are better prepared. Okay, everybody can hear and see this video and this broadcast clearly or not? Yes or no? Let me know, please. If you can see, comment yes. Raymond, great tech UWC, 通通有通煞 Okay, this month January 通煞 All my members will know. Today, this month we 通煞 Those stocks that announce bonus share lah, free warrant lah, everything we have. Okay, 153. Right. So, first of all, a very good evening to ladies and gentlemen. Can see, can hear. Okay, very good. Right. So very good. So in another 1.5 hours time, we will officially go into the ox year of the ox in the Chinese lunar calendar. Now, this is a very important date. Okay, a very important transition into a better year. Okay, for most of us or all of us. Okay, so if you haven't checked out your destiny for the year to for the ox year, I hope you can do so. There's a lot of YouTube free video to understand your 八字. Okay, so if your 八字is going to be very strong for 2021, my question to you is, are you ready to maximize your opportunity and your potential? And what if your 八字 is not going to be strong this year? Okay, you need to take some defensive stance. Make sure you don't lose too much money. Okay, so first of all, let me start with this FBM KLCI index. Now, as I am talking, please help me to share. Okay, the more you share, right, what's going to happen is your name will have a shadow beside your name in the Facebook. Then when you ask question, I will give priority to these members, these users who have this sharer or top fan, top sharer beside your name. Okay, so that is how we're going to proceed. Now, I want to start off because the market has been so bullish for the past 2 months. I want to start off by bringing you back to a good time. Okay, that time is in 2006 July. Okay, from 2006 July all the way to 2007 February. Okay, can you see all the way up? White candle all the way up. Can you see? Now, this is the legendary bull market that we have not seen for many years already. I don't know why. Today, while I was taking my evening walk in the park, suddenly 2006, 2007 come to mind. I still remember that time making money was so easy during these few months. I think that is 8 months during that 8 months. So why do I start to think about 2006, 2007? It is because the past 2 months, I am also very stunned. Okay, every stock I touch turned into gold. Okay, 吓死人了, really. I also very stunned because we were all joking about 八字 very strong and all that. But seriously, it's too much of a coincidence. Every stock that I buy, at least 10%. Minimum 10%. That is very scary. Also, wow, a long time never had this kind of good run. Okay, so that was that's why it reminded me of 2006, 2007. So I went back and looked at the chart. So yeah, FBM KLC at that time, right, along with SDI, every week is finishing white candle, white candle, white candle, white candle, white candle, white candle. Wow. So hopefully we are going into this kind of very powerful run. Okay, this powerful run going forward. All right, so let me just quickly bring you back to the present. Now, this is the wonderful run. Okay, the wonderful run before everything fall in 2008. Okay, so let's come back to right now. What are we doing? Okay, how is the market doing? Now, this is how the market looks like. Let's go to the daily chart. Okay, let's go to the daily chart. Now, index is none of our business. You see, even when we talk about the COVID-19 March to June rally, it is no way close to what we experienced in where is it? Here. It is nowhere close where I experienced in 2006, 2007, that bull market. Okay, that one was crazy. Very easy to make money. You take one stone, okay, you throw at the stock market, you can hit into a winner, and the winner easily give you 50% kind of gains, you know. Okay, so it is something like what I'm seeing in the market today. Okay, any stock that we buy easily hit 10, 20, 30, 40% return, like the SCIB lah, K Power lah, JF Tech, UWC, PIE, or a lot of them. Also, this is what I'm talking about. Okay, let's talk about the market strength index first. Now, for members, this is the platform. Today we make a few new release. Okay, so later we will talk about the new release. Some of the features that you have been asking for. Okay, so let's talk about the strength index first. Now, this is the KLCI strength, not KLCI strength index. This is the KLSE strength index. Okay, so let's take a look. All right, this is the all important line. Now, this line has made me a lot of money over the past 1 year since COVID-19 start, because every time it pulls back to this level, the stock market will rally. The stock market will rally. The stock market will rally. Okay, so this one, okay, this one I didn't really benefited from it because November wasn't really a good month for me because I was skeptical. Okay, rather my position, my stocks, my portfolio was not positioned for vaccine play. So when vaccine was discovered in November, all the vaccine play already a lot of post-pandemic play rally like the banks, Genting, all this rally. I do not have them. Okay, I have the semiconductors. I have the I think I will still have Supermax at that time. Okay, for short-term trade. All right, so I wasn't really benefiting a lot from it. So I was missing all the stocks that was flying. Tasco lah, UWC lah. What else you have? JF Tech, PIE, SCIB, K Power. Also, I missed them all here, but I got them back here. Okay, here during this rally. So later I will show you how I get into those stocks so that you can learn. And the next time it happens, then you should not miss it. Okay, now this is how it looks like at the moment. We hit a resistance. Okay, it's form of resistance and unable to go higher and start to pull back. Now this pullback has got a lot of reason. We have seen the weekly chart of a lot of stocks start to turn down. So that was really quite bearish at that time. Okay, and then let's not forget US, over at the US, the Wall Street, there were 2 trading sessions which they were down like 600 points. Okay, on I think on Thursday. Yes, Thursday, because Friday was a public holiday. So Bursa is safe. Okay, so all of the Bursa investors, we are all safe by the bell. Okay, in boxing we say safe by the bell. Before the punch come to the face, public holiday. Wow, market not trading, so we don't have to suffer the negative reaction to Wall Street's 600 points decline. Then comes Friday night, 600 points decline again. Monday, public holiday again. So we skip that 2 bad days. But Tuesday, yesterday, due to the sudden announcement of this MCO extension, the stock market in the afternoon took a beating. Okay, but today, everything recovered. Okay, so that's why you see this tick up. So what do you make of this strength index? Okay, now this strength index is very useful only for the extreme level. Okay, when it hit into the green zone around here, you expect some selling. And if you see any stocks giving you the reversal pattern, the sell candles, or showing you weakness, this is where you take them seriously. Okay, so anything in between like now, it is really not very significant. I wouldn't pay too much attention to it. So this is the KLSE strength index, which we always started. Those of you who are new, let me share with you what is this KLSE strength index. This is tracking the active stocks in Bursa. It is not the 30 component stock. Okay, it's not the 30 KLCI component stocks. Rather, they are the active stocks. Okay, so when most of them are going up, it is going up. This green line is trending up, telling you that most of the stocks are going up. So chances are, if you see a buy signal in your stock, you can take it with confidence. Now, when the market starts to pull back, okay, you can see this line coming down, the green line coming down. This is the time when a lot of stocks are trending lower. Okay, so you have to protect your profits. So this is how this strength index is being used, right? Then the other thing I want to share with you is now this level, the blue line that I was telling you that it made me a lot of money over the past 1 year. I want to share this lesson with you, which recently it dawned upon me. Okay, that there is a very famous saying in Wall Street that if you want to make money during the good time, okay, during a good time, this rally in January, good time, right? You must be there during the bad time. When the market is declining, you must still be in the market. Why? Because when the stock decline, you must have a form of technical level and the stocks, a list of stocks that you are ready and hungry to buy them. Okay, so that is why the saying goes, if you want to be there during good times, you must be there during the bad times. Okay, so if you understand what I'm talking about, give me a fireworks of light. Now, if the screen goes blur, Amir, check the settings on your Facebook video. There's a setting, change to the high definition. Then you can hear my voice in 3D. Okay. If you have a surround sound system, also you can connect to your surround sound system. Then you can hear my voice very, very clearly. of course, the surround sound system is the Joe Amir. I hope you don't mind. Okay, very good. I see the fireworks of lights. Right, so let's continue. All right, so the first stock that I want to talk about today will be Dufu. Now, Dufu is a hard disk player. Okay, it's a hard disk player. Today, it make a very wonderful one candle of how many percent? I think, let me see. Let me see from my other screen. Dufu is up 11. Sorry, 11% today. Okay, 11% today. Now, what is so amazing about this Dufu? Okay, it is because I bought it before it flew. Wow. That is why I tell you, these past 2 months, to me, it's like deja vu. No? How come it feels so much like the 2006 rally? Okay, now this is the only stock I buy today, as you can see. Okay, 9:22 a.m. I already spotted this Dufu, and I bought it at 382. 382. Take a look at the closing, 425. Okay, 425. It's like one shot, one kill recently. Wow. Okay, now first of all, let me explain to you why I spotted Dufu so that you learn, and the next time you can also do it by yourself. Home ho. Okay, if you want to learn how I spot Dufu, comment yes. Comment yes. Lim Kok Ling, yes. Kelvin Su, yes. Angel, yes. Or Aiden, yes. Okay, very good. Seems like all of you are very hungry to learn tonight. Hungry to learn tonight. Okay, so let's go. Now, Dufu is a hard disk player. So you must know the industry that you are dealing with, the stock. Okay, now first of all, stock selection. Yeah, stock selection. How I end up with Dufu is because it is in the hard disk. It is a hard disk manufacturer. Two of the customer, okay, two biggest customer of Dufu is Seagate and Western Digital. Okay, Seagate and Western Digital. So these two companies, Seagate and Western Digital, are listed in Wall Street. Okay, and in January is the earnings season of these two companies. Okay, let me fetch you the earnings for these two companies. Seagate earnings. Okay, now you see I did a search today, so I want to show you from Seeking Alpha. Okay, so you can see this Seeking Alpha, it has it told you about the earnings. Okay, the earnings in, where is it? There you go. Okay, so on 2021 for Q2, okay, its earnings beat by 0.16. Okay, that means it make more money. In short, it make more money. Then when you check Western Digital, WDC, Western Digital, okay, you can also see that it beats earnings. Okay, you can also see that it beats earnings. So these two company are customer of Dufu. So my question to you is, if the two customer of Dufu are reporting better earnings, can we assume that Dufu earning will also be better? Yes or no? Is this reasonable to you? Yes or no? Yes or no, guys? Is it reasonable? Is it a reasonable guess that since the two company are reporting better earning in January, can we say that Dufu earning is going to be good as well? Is it a reasonable guess? Yes. Okay, I saw yes over at the Facebook, also over at YouTube. Okay, very good. Yes, so it's a reasonable guess. Now, first of all, the other thing that I am keeping in mind is Dufu. Does it have a track record of making money? Very important. Does it have a track record of making money? Because if the customers are making more money, selling more product, they as the vendor, the supplier, right, they can also cock up by not able to control their expenses that will eat into their profit, by anyhow invest the profit. Okay, So this could also cock up the earnings of this company. But so this company must have a track record of able to show that their profitability. So that is why I can check on my health check. Okay, you can see that Tufu generally is a good company. You can see the debt level is defensive. Okay, profitability is high. Financial object is good. And I am an old friend of Tufu. I've been trading it since 2018. So I know this company's potential and also not about the potential. I know this company's ability to deliver strong set of earnings. Okay, you can see prior to COVID-19, you can see the trend is so powerful whenever their earnings are going up. Okay, so they have got this track record of flying up the charts if their earnings is good, is strong. Okay, so now I'm going to use another tool to confirm the FA for everybody so that you understand this company. Now, this is not an inducement to buy or sell Tufu. I'm just explaining to you my analysis on Tufu to help you understand this process of stock selection. Okay. Okay, Jasmine asked a question. How do I know these two companies are customer of Tufu? Very simple, because I'm a follower of the stock and also Bursa market for many years. So therefore, I agak know what companies, supplier and customers are. Okay, so if you are in the stock market for a long time, you will definitely know this kind of market news. Okay, market wisdom. Okay, those of you who also know that Seagate and Western Digital are customer of Tufu, please comment Tufu. Please comment Tufu so that to show Jasmine that hey, everybody actually know this. So especially those are old birds, experienced veterans, traders, and investors in Bursa. If you also know that these two companies are customer of Tufu, then before this seminar, comment Tufu. Kelvin Su know about it. Who else? Angel knows about it. YouTube, like YouTube. Wanzu knows about it. Okay, yeah, you see, quite a number of people knows about it. All right. Now, since they know about it, there's one thing that is missing is the tracking of Seagate and Western Digital's earnings. Whether they have this process or the neuron connect that, hey, these two companies reported better earnings. So check back to Tufu. So this is the part where the stock selection procedure is. Okay. So this is how we do it. Yeah. So I'm going to scroll down and then I take a look at the earnings in the quarterly. Okay. In the quarterly report. Okay. You can see that Tufu has a track record of making money when the trend is there. Okay. When the trend is there. So therefore we can trust that Tufu is going to deliver the results, okay, that we desire. All right. So now let's come to the chart. Now this is the fundamental part. That means, this is the fundamental part, which means that based on the stock selection, Tufu satisfy my what to buy. Now, every trader, investors, when we go into the stock market, we always are challenged by these three questions. What stock to buy today? What price to buy? And what price to sell? Correct or not? So Tufu, what stock to buy today satisfy the criteria because I know that two customers reported better earnings and I check the earnings also. I will not say very strong growth. You cannot compare to a semiconductor, but at least there is a trend, okay, that this company, if they deliver the earnings, the stock can fly, right? So this stock, what stock to buy? Answered already. So the next question we want to see is the trend, the chart, okay, the chart. Now for Tufu, okay, how do you see the chart? Now you zoom out first. So you zoom out, you see this is the COVID-19 low, it rally up. Okay, follow my train of thoughts, guys. Follow my train of thoughts. So this is the COVID-19 low. So from the COVID-19 low, it rally up along with all other stocks to this high. And then can you see it go into a sideways consolidation? Now, during this time from August to December, okay, although I did not trade Tufu, but it has always been in my watch list and in my mind. Okay, it is my old friend. Tufu is my old friend. Those are members who have been with me for the past 3 years. You understand, we in and out of Tufu during the good times. Okay, so therefore, I know that it is resting. So while it was resting, the earnings of August wasn't very good. The earnings of November wasn't very good. Okay, so what caught my attention is when Seagate and Western Digital reported better earnings, okay, due to the increase in data center, okay, where they require more hard disks to form the work from home team and all that. That is for Wall Street, because I trade Wall Street as well. So therefore, during the earnings season, I pay attention to all these companies and ngam, because my parts is very strong, right? When I read the news, these two stocks jump at me, okay, and then the name Tufu come into my mind. Okay, just as I was having this bowl of tofu hua, okay, tofu hua, you know, the beancurd, right? I was sitting on a Saturday morning when I read the financial news. I saw, Seagate and Western Digital reported better earning due to data center and all that. And suddenly, tofu come to my mind. That is how I spotted tofu. Okay. Right, so this is consolidation. Okay, consolidation. So this is after consolidation, I notice Tufu starts to run. Now Tufu starts to run, I stay calm. Okay, I stay calm, don't need to chase. Okay, so I only spotted the stock like over the weekend. So it was before this white candle like that. Okay, so when I saw this, okay, first question is, do I see buyer in control in this stock? And okay, do I see buyer in control in this stock? Now, for those of you who know about buyer in control, how to read from the chart, buyer in control, or attended my program, whatnot, then you take a look at this. Is this something that you like? The chart. Okay, based on what you see here, is this something that you like? What's happening here? Okay, share with me under the comments field so that we can have a interaction. Long white candle, okay, Lin Qingyi, long white candle, correct. I give you a like. Yeah, like wrongly. Long white, okay, correct. Long white. So after long whites, okay, after long whites, Baojie, buyer holding strong, good. Kelvin Su, high volume white candle, correct. High volume, correct. Ko Hui, BIC, correct. Testing seller, Patrick Tan, I like your comment. Patrick Tan, I like your comment. Testing seller, that's right. So after you see a strong long white candle, which means buyers storm into this stock, okay, and then it starts to consolidate, and you take a look at the calendar date, guys. Take a look at calendar date. It is consolidating in January. February is where the earnings will be. Wait, let me confirm. Let me confirm. Is it February is the earning? Yeah, 26th of February is the earnings. Okay. You see my right hand side got a lot of information, guys. Okay. So this is what makes this tool very, very powerful now. All my analysis can be done from one single platform. FA on the right, timing charting on in the center, screening result and watch list on the left, now with live alerts on the left as well. So everything, this is a very powerful weapon in my hands now. Okay, now you're right. So this is the consolidation. So during the consolidation, you can observe that this sell candle has got very, very high volume. Now I would expect after seeing this high volume black candle, Tufu should crash and burn. Okay, it should crash and burn. If it doesn't crash and burn, it's telling me that the sellers are not in control. It is testing the sellers over here. Test one time, test two time, test third time. This is the key. Test third time, no, the stock unable to close low and starts to bounce up. Okay, starts to go up. Another white candle came, another white candle comes, not came, another white candle comes, and then pull back two candles. I know this is consolidation after a long white. The buyers are still in control. Okay, so that is why today I make the purchase. If I switch to the weekly chart, you will love it even better. Okay, can you see? If I do multi-time frame analysis, okay, multi-time frame analysis. So this is the buyer coming in. Last week, it was a doji consolidating with low volume. So this week, okay, on the second day, I think I go for a trade. Okay, the risk reward and the stock selection both qualify. So therefore, I took the trade on Tufu. Okay, so that is the story on Tufu. 来，厉害吗？厉害吗？ What do you think? Good or not? Is this skill or what? Own self praise own self. How do you like my analysis? Everybody learn something? Okay, if you learn something and you understand this Tufu analysis and you are ready to trade Tufu, comment yes. Then I will share with you when to buy Tufu.厉害咯，好厉害咯。Okay, very good. Thank you for your kind words. Thank you for your kind words. Okay, come back to the screen now. Let's do this together. Now, this is my FA tool. Okay, so this is what I did today, guys. This is what I did today. So when I traded Tufu, remember it was 382, and this was the last earning. So I did a EPS growth projection at 25%, which means that I project that if Q4 February 26, Tufu announced the results. Okay, announced the results. These earnings are, let's say it achieved a growth of 25%. I am not gunning for a lot. Those of you who have followed my seminar, you know what are the numbers to use here, right? I always go for low numbers, 20, 25, 30. So if a stock is trading below the first projection, this is 4 ringgit. Okay, 4 ringgit. So this morning when I buy it, let me show you again. When I buy it, it was 382. So when I saw the price at 382, the projection is 4 ringgit. If Tufu meet the 25% projection, then I was thinking, can it make the 25%? Can it meet the 25% projection in EPS? Okay, so my answer is yes. Why? Because you have got Seagate, you have got Western Digital telling us that if they are selling more products. So naturally, for Tufu to meet 25%, I think shouldn't be too big of a problem unless they cock up. Okay, so that is where your position sizing when buying Tufu comes into play. Then you use your position sizing to save yourself. That means if you are wrong, okay, then you must prepare to lose whatever amount that you have set aside to take the risk. Now that is called risk management, guys. Risk management. So there's no such thing as sure win. Okay, there's no such thing as sure win. So most importantly is you understand the risk that you are taking. How much can you risk if Tufu goes down instead of go up? Okay, so that is position sizing. Now let's come back to this again. So 4 ringgit. My projection is 4 ringgit. So it was trading at 382. I went for it 382 because I know that there's still at least a 20-cent upside to 4 ringgit. Now, this is my most conservative target for Tufu, 4 ringgit. So today what happened to Tufu is it trades well above this target, 425. Okay, that means the stock market is actually expecting Tufu to report better than 25% EPS growth. Okay, better than expected EPS growth, 25%. Now, does it mean that does it mean that it will fly away from here? That one, I also don't know. I also don't know what will happen tomorrow, guys. Okay, all I know is since I already bought the stock, so now what I'm going to do is to follow this red line, trail the profit. If it continue to go higher, I will continue to trail the profit. So long it doesn't trade below my red line, this trailing stop line, then I will hang on to it. Okay, so there are two ways to ride Tufu. Number one, I follow my red line. Okay, the other one is I will see the sell candle. If I see sell candle, I get the hell out. Okay, so that is how I'm going to trade Tufu going forward, how I manage my position going forward. Okay, so a lot of stocks, it's not every day when you do this projection, you can see that the stock is trading below the first projection. Today, if you go and check K-Power, you go and check Franken, you go and check other stocks, those that fly up too high, like UWC, DNO, they are already way above the first projection. That means the market is already projecting like 40-50% EPS growth. Okay, now the question is, if a stock cannot meet its 40% or 50% EPS growth, what will happen to the stock? That is something that you have to know about, and it is a very stern warning. It means that the stock price can come down, okay, if it cannot meet the projection. Now let's talk about PIE, one stock that I also time it perfectly. Okay, now this is a turnaround stock. It starts to swing into profitability in Q3 2020. Now I want to show you right here what is the stock doing. Okay, so based on the last earning, if I do a 30% projection, okay, on the EPS growth to be reported on 28th of February that week, okay, for its Q4, for its Q4 2020 earnings, if it has a EPS growth of 30%, the share price should be able to trade at 2 ringgit and 78 cents. Okay, but what is PIE trading now? Okay, what is PIE trading now? Take a look. Okay, PIE is now trading at 342. 342, guys, 342. So you come back to this table, 342 is 30% is 278. Okay, it's between 378 to 361. So I will say it is about 45 to 50% EPS growth projection. Okay, so my question is, okay, if I were to take PIE this trade, okay, my question is, what if PIE fail to meet the earnings growth projection? Then my okay, then that means if the price will come correction, come down, pull back. Okay, just like what happened to Tufu in this quarter. Okay, in this quarter, it missed the earnings. Okay, it missed the earnings and then come down. Okay, so this is something that I want to share with you, that before we buy breakup, we don't buy any stock, we need to know what is the market expectation that is trading at. So right now, to me, PIE, can it even make 45-50% EPS growth? If you think it can, okay, if you got enough data like what I did with Tufu, okay, study the industry and realize that it actually got chance, then you go ahead. Otherwise, if you're like me, not sure, uncertainty, I rather go trade somewhere else. Okay, go buy something else. Okay, go buy something else. Do you understand what I'm talking about? If you understand, give me a like. Give me a like. At YouTube, there's also a like button there. If you can help me tap on the like, I will appreciate it. And also, if you can help me share this to your friends, I will appreciate it. Okay, because it will help me gain traction on the social media. Okay, I saw a couple of likes flying up. YouTube, the likes still stuck at 14. There are 166 of you. At least see 80 likes. 好不好? Okay, this every like that you click is an encouragement sent to me. Okay, it's an encouragement sent to me. Thank you very much. Okay, in another 1 hour's time, we are going into the Metal Ox year. Metal Ox year. Very excited what comes ahead. Okay, thank you very much for all the likes. I'm going to continue now. Okay, so this is the PIE. Therefore, I didn't trade PIE today. Although the stock price can go up, remember, it doesn't mean the stock price cannot go up. It can go up, but it is risky. Okay, it is risky. So therefore, why not trade Great Tech? Why not trade Great Tech? Okay, now Great Tech. Okay, if you see Great Tech, let's take a look at the fundamentals. Okay, Great Tech. Okay, while it's loading, I want to show you the fundamental of Great Tech. Now, Great Tech is solar semiconductor play. Okay, it manufacture components, manufacture machines to make those stuff like for solar, for for the battery. Recently, it won a contract to supply a battery and also the solar. Okay, now this is the health check based on the annual reports. Now there are 3 types of reports you need to know. Financial reports. Okay, so annual report is reported every year. Now this is a bit slower. Imagine if the annual report is released in June. Okay, so from June all the way to next June, something happened to the company, you won't know, because it doesn't report, you only report annually. So if you look at only the annual report, it's too slow. Okay, now TTM, trailing 12 months. Trailing 12 months would mean that it is a last 4 quarters of earnings add up together. Okay, last 4 quarters of earning add up together. So this one you will be able to see the financial performance reacts to the latest quarter. Okay, if you start to deep down for the last 2 quarters, you will see that the earnings will go into a downtrend. Okay, so this is very useful. But if you go to the quarterly is more volatile. It will swing up and down, up and down. Okay, but generally you want to see the trend going up. So quarterly would mean that every quarter it will record the earnings. So this is the 3 differences from slow to neutral to very fast. Okay, sorry, slow to fast to very fast. Okay, so usually I will take a look at TTM and quarterly to get a sense of the business. That is good enough for me. Sometimes the stock will cock up, will have a bad quarter. Okay, but not too bad lah. It means that you have a dip. Okay, but subsequent quarter can catch up. So to me, TTM to understand the whole trend is very important as well, followed by the quarter. Okay, hope this information can help you understand how to see this information. Okay, now based on the health check on the annual. Now health check, that means the financial strength of the company. So we are using the annual to check. You can see that the revenue and net income is above average. Cash flow is average. Debt is average. Okay, profitability very high. Financial health check. That means how is it able to pay back its bank loans, okay, that it take to finance the business is good, okay, which means that this company, Great Tech, is a great company based on the fundamentals, even better than Dufu, you see, better than Dufu, okay, better than Dufu. Dufu is good, okay, but lose to Great Tech at the operation health check there. Okay, so this is a very great tool for you to quickly understand the company that you are trading. All right. So you scroll down, you can see that the earnings is trending up. Okay, trending up. And then the earnings, 24th of Feb. So it's coming up. A lot of companies are reporting in Feb. Okay, so there are 4 months in a year that you want to be excited about if you're a stock trader and investor, which is February, May, August, and November. These are the earnings months. Stock price will have very big movement. Okay, so next I want to show you the PIPS table over here. So you come down to the PIPS table. Okay, let's do some projection together. Okay, so you can see if I were to do a 30% projection, okay, on Great Tech, that means if Great Tech can make 30% EPS growth, which to me is quite reasonable because you can see that Great Tech is on a growth on a growth. So I think 30% is not too much to ask from a growth company or Great Tech. So it will be first projection 793. So you take a look at the share price. Okay, it is only doing 5 ringgit plus. Okay, 5 ringgit plus. So once again, if I compare PIE to Great Tech, okay, based on just a very modest 30%, Great Tech is trading way below that first projection. That is why I took the Great Tech trade. Okay, that is why I took the Great Tech trade. Okay, let me show you. Seeing is believing. This is a great month, man. Okay, let me show you. Great Tech was taken yesterday. All my troubles seem so far away. There you see my Great Tech, 564. Okay, 564. Great Tech, 564. There you go, 564. Before the stock jumps up. Now, Great Tech has a news overnight yesterday. Okay, let me find you the news. There's a reason why Great Tech went up. Okay, let me find you the news. Okay, Great Tech, there you go. Okay, this is my private community page with the members. So we share a lot of news right here. Great Tech, there you go. Okay, you can see that Great Tech partner, the news is out after the market closed yesterday. So Great Tech partners US-based at least to develop electric vehicle battery pack assembly production line in Arizona. Wow, more business to come to Great Tech. Okay, now this is released after the market closed. Now, I do not know that Great Tech has a contract coming. Okay, I don't know that Great Tech has a contract coming, has a new business coming. But what I know is this is the same uptrend. Okay, can you see this is an uptrend? I think everybody can see an uptrend, right? More importantly is just before I buy, it is okay. It has broke out of this sideways range. Now you can see this. Okay, this is Great Tech going up, and this is Great Tech, doing this sideways consolidation. Okay, so if you forward it to, okay, so that means from this point, it broke out upwards, right? This little green arrow are where it trigger my technical buy signal. Okay, so from here to here, okay, before today, like that. Okay, can you see it is the same kind of chart that I always look for? Okay, can you see? The going up is with increasing buying. The transaction volume is getting higher and higher, and then it starts to pull back with low volume. Isn't this very similar to Tufu? Okay, let me show you Tufu once again before the rise up. Similar or not, guys? If you think that it's similar, comment similar. Comment similar. If you see that this is similar, these two charts has got similar pattern right here. Okay, right here. Comment similar. Comment similar. Or comment similar if you find that, yeah, you are right. They look about the same. Similar. Lin Qingyi, wow, you are always the first one. Give you a like. Okay, similar. 係啦，各位觀眾，係啦。This is how okay trading make simple, guys. Trading make simple. Okay. Now, number one, okay, the whole procedure again. Number one, check the company that you are trading. It must have earnings potential. Okay, a company that you can trust to deliver the earnings. Number one. Number two, the chart. Okay, the chart must be bullish. You must see buyers in control. It's very logical. No, it's very logical, because if a chart has got buyers in control, okay, it means that it is going to go up. As simple as that. It's going to go up. All right. So that is why I always try my best to always buy companies who are profitable. Number one, profitable. And next, good health check. Next, okay, has got this earnings trend track record. Okay, now the other stock I want to share with you is UWC. Okay, UWC is also a great company. Can you see? UWC is a great company, semiconductor industry, and you can see the earnings growth, okay, of this UWC. Right now, do you know that yesterday UWC announced that it's going to issue bonus shares? Okay, let me find UWC bonus share. Just now I was reading it. It was here a couple. Just let me find and show you UWC. Okay, it announced that it's going to announce. It announced that it's going to issue bonus shares. Okay, there you go. 2nd of Feb bonus issue. Okay, let's take a look. So for those shareholders who have UWC, myself included, one bonus share for one existing UW share held. Okay, so this is the bonus share given by UWC. So you take a look at the company. Earnings trend. Okay, earnings trend is there. Okay, UWC. The next one recently, JF Tech. Give bonus shares, give warrants. Okay, take a look at this. Can you see? Okay, uptrend, and it gives bonus shares. Okay, take a look at the earnings. Earnings, TTM. Okay, you take a look at the earnings. Can you see the earnings is also trendy, going up? Okay, next, SCIB. Okay, next, SCIB. Can you see the earnings is also going up? And this company has given free bonus shares and also free warrants. Okay, and one more, K-Power. Okay, K-Power need no introduction. Okay, it ran crazy late last year. Can you see that it gives bonus shares, it stock split, a lot of good stuff? And take a look at the earnings, guys. Take a look at the earnings. Can you see the earnings is growing as well? So what conclusion can you draw? What conclusion can you draw from all these stocks that I'm showing you? What conclusion can you draw? Right, anyone? I will give you a like if you can answer it correctly. The first one to get the answer correct. Macam big deal, the like. Lim Yongxian, buy fundamentally good company with good earnings. Highlight, guys. Lim Yongxian has got it. Lim Yongxian has got it. Okay. The answer is very, very straightforward. Okay. It's very, very straightforward. Only good companies, okay, who are making money, okay, who are making money and have this earnings growth, cash flow growth, are able to give such goodies to the to the investors, okay, to the investors. I repeat myself again. Only good companies who has been performing financially well is able to give such goodies to reward shareholders. Okay. Now, the other message is very, very important. Okay, I want you to pay attention now. Pay attention now. The other message to you that I'm going to tell you right now is very important. It can save you a lot of heartache. Okay, and what is it? Companies, okay, who are high debt, whose earnings is not strong, they can only do one thing to the shareholder. That is issue rights. Instead of issue warrants and bonus shares, they issue rights to ask for more money. Okay, they ask for more money. That is why the sooner you open your eye and start to avoid those money losing company, a company with no earnings growth, okay, the quicker you can attain your financial goal as an investor. Everybody understand or not? Understand or not? Did I make myself very clear? Okay, if you understand, comment yes. Kairu said very well. Get girlfriend material kind of stock. Maybe you are a young guy, like use the word girlfriend. Usually people my age, we say get wife material kind of stock. Okay, you get wife material kind of stock. Very good. It give bonus shares. It's like giving you kids. Okay, and then it give you warrants. It's like your grandchildren. Yes, 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 yes. Very good, very good, very good, very good, very good. Wow, suddenly tonight I feel that my karma has increased. I think I serve all of you very good value, right? Very good value. Now I want to share with you one more thing. Okay. Now we talk about 八字, we talk about feng shui, we talk about 2021, how you can transform your 2021 into a very outstanding year in the rest of your life. Correct or not? So I have got one method, okay, one golden rule, or that I try to my best to live by, that will really help all of us in terms of our spiritual wellness, and also increase our luck. Most importantly, increase our luck. Do you want to know? Okay, do you want to know? I have this golden rule that can help you increase your luck. Do you want to know? If you want to know, comment okay, then I know that you are interested to know, because this is not about trading. This is about how to increase your luck in 2021. Do you want to know? If you want to know, comment luck, L-U-C-K, comment luck. I teach you my secret method. Okay, anybody can do this for sure. Okay, if you want to know, comment luck, L-U-C-K. Sorry, not okay, it's L-U-C-K. Let me share with you my secret on how to increase the luck. Okay, it is not religious. Okay, it's not religious. So everybody from any race, any religion can do it. Comment luck. Okay, so by sharing this with you, it will help you increase your luck in 2021. 2021 in the Metal Ox year. Okay, come. I'm going to type it out on the comments field, and then I'm going to read it to you. Okay, give me one moment. Golden rules. Okay, I call it my golden rule to increase your luck. To increase your luck. Here we go. First rule. Wait, I'm typing out. Then after that, I share with you. And number 3. There you go, my golden rule. Okay, now first one is speak kind words only. Speak kind words only. The second one is do good deeds to help others. And the third rule is have only kind intentions. Don't go and think about causing harm to other people. Okay, with these 3 golden rules, you will have a very good 2021. Your luck will be super good. Okay, your luck will be super good. So these are my 3 golden rules to help you achieve good luck in 2021. Okay, in Chinese, 说好话，做好事，存好心，不要害人，不要害人。Okay, then you will be very, very lucky for the rest of 2021. 好了 that is why, guys, that is why when you share my video out, you are doing a very good deed. Now, firstly, you help your friends, okay, to avoid trading lousy stock. Secondly, you help me by sharing the video out. So one of the golden rule achieved. 好了 joke aside. Okay, come, like, understand, right? Okay, come, let's talk about stocks. Let's come and talk about stocks. Now, for all the members online right now, okay, I want to share with you the new release that we have patched recently, okay? Last night. Okay, also not last night, last hour, my technical team has just informed me that they have patched what we wanted, which is, okay, when you click on live alerts right here, okay, you are able to select the market now, guys. You are able to select the market now. So you will not keep receiving the market that you do not want for the real-time alerts. For all the members, okay? All the members. Hey, Andrew JM has been your principal all your life. Very good for you. Same as me. Same as me. No wonder my January was very good. Okay, same as me. Okay. Come, so members, see these, select your market. So tonight, if you don't want to be disturbed, right, switch off Nasdaq and NYSE. If not, the whole night system alerts come, you confirm cannot sleep. Okay, select your market. So we just want to receive real-time alerts for Singapore and Bursa market. Okay, and I have also moved the health track over to the right-hand side so that we don't have to keep flipping between these 2 and the ESP master. I'm trying to make this ESP master more and more complete. And ESP master now has got intraday time frame. Okay, last week you come to this webinar, you can only see daily and weekly chart. Now we have got intraday time frame. This charting platform is now got delayed data. Okay, so real time wise, you can check the candle, whether is it long white or black candle. Okay, and then you have got the TTM and quarterly earnings over here. Okay, over here. So this will also help you and save time. Don't need to flip over to the other software. Okay, and then you have got the pips table. Now pips table, we forgot to put the button there to change the number. Okay, so this one I think they will patch tomorrow, and hopefully we can get it over before Chinese New Year. But the more important thing that is the selection of market. Okay, you can select the market to alert you, right? So this is the live alert. Now this platform, okay guys, this platform now has got live alerts, which means during the market hours, you will be able to receive the real-time strategy alerts, okay, of those stocks that we are tracking, like Master Chrono Chrono today actually has a signal. Chrono, okay, has a signal. 4 days ago, so has a signal. So it is a Trend Master V3 strategy. You can see that the candle has turned into green. It means that it is almost ready to go up, but you need to check out the FA first. Okay, you need to check out the FA first. Chrono. A bit slow. So finally it loaded. So Chrono, you can check out the FA. Make sure that you qualify the what stock to trade. Okay, before you want to take the signal. Okay, so this is Chrono. So all these are real-time alerts. Those of you who are new to Chart Nexus, this is the latest platform that all members are enjoying. And the most important thing is it is going to send the alert to your Telegram, guys. Okay, it's going to send to your Telegram. So those of you who are not in the know, now our platform has upgraded in such a way that I believe it is one of the most avant-garde software in Southeast Asia, at least Singapore and Malaysia. Okay, that you can configure your own alerts and send it to your Telegram in your mobile app. So during the daytime, okay, when your eyes are not on the watch list, when the stock trigger your alert, it will send to your mobile phone. Okay, mobile phone. Right. So this is the alerts. Now, let's talk about stocks now. Come, give me one stocks. Give me one stocks. Then I will start to analyze for you using the new tool. Okay, guys. Anyone over at Facebook? Give me one stock. Batam 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 also have Indonesia stock. I have or not? I think I never download. Bumi. Yeah, I didn't download the Jakarta stock. Emulus. Okay, wait. It's too fast. Emulus. 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 Okay, now Emulus is also a semiconductor industry. Wow, but you take a look at the health check. It is not the best. Okay, it is not the best company to satisfy the what to trade. Okay, it's not the best company. But don't worry, like I said, this is based on annual, right? So what you want to do is to take a look at the TTM. Okay, TTM you can see in Cantonese. In Cantonese, this is what we call 喊鱼翻身. Okay, so this is a turnaround company. It means that it has been making more and more money and earnings, and the last quarter is swing into profitability. We all know that semiconductor is going to be a very hot stock, hot sector. Okay, let me show you the news on semiconductor. Yeah. So I kept all the news under here so that we are able to see the news. Okay, here you go. Okay, I'm going to show you. This map share by cash is very important. Okay, very useful. You want look, right? You know what are the companies in what final stage of the semiconductor are we talking about? Foundry, design, okay, manufacturing, assembling, and all that. Okay, so these members, okay, don't forget to come and take a look. Okay, contributed by cash, and you have got global chip shortage. Okay, this is 2 weeks ago. Global chip shortage. You know that semiconductor is going to boom. More importantly, is this news. Okay, the outlook for semiconductor. You can see that in 2021, the global sales projected to increase by 8.4%. Okay, 8.4% in 2021. So we expect the semiconductor to do very well. So this is why Emulus may start to make more and more earnings going forward, and that is the expectation of this company. As you can see, that it rallies up despite it is just a 韩语翻身 stock. Of course, if you trade other stock like Franken, okay, let me show you Franken. Okay, if you see Franken, right, already trading at all-time high, This stock consolidate from August all the way to December. Okay, I siam all the way until recently. I bought it in January. Okay, in January. You see, January, already January is really crazy. Let me show you this January. I bought in January. January, have I? Yeah, hopefully I can still see it. January, Franken, 你在哪里？there, Franken. Okay, take a look at the price I bought. 447, 19th of January. Okay, 19th of January. So 19th of January is 在哪里呀？ Here, 19th of January. Okay. Then of course it pull back. Then after that, tarik up again. Okay, so this is Franken. So all the semiconductor stocks are behaving very well. Franken, you can see the fundamental. Why I choose Franken? You can see the fundamentals. Okay, very good. And also the earnings, guys. The earnings. Okay. So let's come back to Emulus. Now, Emulus is not my first choice. Okay, so if you take a look at the candles right now, you do see the buyer in control kind of candle. Now, remember, how do you analyze the chart? Firstly, you must understand it is the lowest point in March 2020. It starts to rally and go into a sideways over here, right? Into a sideways over here. So this is the spark of this current rally. So you want to check from here going up. Is there buyer in control or seller in control? Okay, so you zoom in here to analyze. Enough already. Here, okay, none of our business. None of our business. It's over. It's over and done with, already consolidated. So whatever upward movement here already digested. You understand? Already digested. So don't need to bother about what's happening here. More important is from here on, are there buyer in control or not? Okay. Now I've made it also very simple for every user lah. You take a look at the luminous green. If you see luminous green and you look up, it's white candle, it's telling you that the buyers are in control. Along with this, and you see the pullback is always low volume. So Emulus, or I can say that the buyers are in control for Emulus. Okay. Hey, FP group. Okay, Henry Chong asked about FP group. I do want to talk about FP group because I have FP group, and yes, it is a bit frustrating for FP group. Now, FP group is not out of the woods yet. It doesn't. We haven't really up yet. Okay, but the more important thing here is there isn't any clue of the buyers returning to FP group at the moment. Now, this is the two wonderful high volume spike in FP group. Subsequently, it encountered a sell candle. Can you see the sell candle? High volume sell candle, and the stock starts to pull back and now go quiet. Okay, go quiet. So I will still classify this as a low volume pullback, but it doesn't stop FP group from continuing to pull down. Okay, where the decline can end up, nobody knows yet. Okay, but the thing is, we want to see a long white come back into FP group, and perhaps it will be like Tufu, spark off a rally. Okay, so that is what we want to see in FP group. And the next thing you want to see is the weekly chart. Okay, now weekly chart, you can see clearly, this is definitely not the strongest high volume long white that we want. This is definitely have got weakness. So based on what we see here, last week it has got a black candle with low volume. Okay, low volume. Then you can see that this is this week. Volume is still low on a Wednesday night. So we have got Thursday and Friday. If the candle stays small with lower volume, then at least this three candle in itself is telling me that it is setting up, okay, for a burst upwards. Okay, for a burst upwards. But right now, Wednesday only. So we don't know by Thursday, Friday, what will happen to FP group. We can only continue to observe and see how it trades. Okay. For members, don't worry, we will be talking about it day in, day out. So I know some of you have it as well. So let us write this book together. Okay, 风雨同舟. The earnings wise for FP group, you can see is very similar to Franken. It doesn't have a very strong growing trend, but it is profitable at least. Okay, profitable at least. So it's not a loss-making company. Quarter wise, you can see last quarter there was a dip. It is normal. Sometimes they will have a dip, and then the next quarter make more. Okay, so this is quite normal. So more importantly is Q2 2021. Can they make more money? If they can make more money, then the chart should be trading upwards before the earnings. The earnings is 18. Okay, coming up soon after Chinese New Year. So February 18, you will see FP group. Whether it's up or down, maybe it will start to trade up towards the 18. Then you know that, hey, the market is expecting FP group to report a strong set of earnings. That is how we see FP group. Okay. Now, K Power, you have to be careful because Mr. Karim sold today, K Power. Substantial shareholders sold some 2 million shares today. So I'm not in a hurry to pick up this K Power yet. FA wise, K Power definitely is good. You can see a lot of greens over here. And the earnings wise on TTM definitely passed. It's just that the share price has run too high, too fast up. if I were to do the PIP projection for K Power, I think my PIP price have not adjusted yet for K Power. Let me check. Okay, let me put in a respectable 25% and see what price do we get. 605. Okay, 605 is now trading. Yeah, I haven't adjusted the. Okay, this is before the share split and the bonus share. So we have to do the mathematical conversion here. My data team hasn't adjusted the number here yet. So we have to wait for the next quarter earnings to come in before this is adjusted. Meanwhile, if you want to, you can do the mathematics by yourself. Okay, because we have got Bell here to tell you this is bonus 1 for 3. And this is share split for 1 into 4. Okay, so you have to do the mathematics here to see the real price of these pips before you do the projection. Okay, so that's for K Power. Okay, Jody asks, which semiconductor do cheap since there is a shortage and the demand are there, right? One thing, although I share with you this news, guys, this news is out very early last year, very early in December last year, okay, 2020 December, which means a lot of movement in the semiconductor stocks are like okay, I talk about UWC, I talk about Unisem, we see something new. Unisem, right? Already priced in the high expectation of the earnings of this semiconductor. Okay, so I don't want you to mistaken that thinking that, wow, semiconductor is going to be good for 2021. Just close eyes and buy and should make money. No, okay, because it has already moved up significantly. So what you want to do, okay, if you have missed buying the semiconductor stock, what you want to do is observe the earnings going to be out in February, and then you prepare for May. Guys, you prepare for May. Okay, let me show you May. You prepare for May. You prepare for the May earnings. So between March and April, there should be a low, a higher low for you to buy, to take advantage of the better earnings in May, if there is, okay, if there is. So therefore, I will say now the semiconductor stock already moved significantly upwards. Okay, like I say, I did the PITS projection. A lot of them are doing 40-50% kind of projection. So if they miss, if they choose and miss, right, then it is going to correct. Okay, it's going to correct itself. Okay, so this is something that you want to take note of. Okay, do not just close your eyes and just hook the semiconductor stock. Know what you are trading. More importantly, know what you are trading. A lot of stock like Unisem, right, is also Han Yu Fan San, you see. Okay, it means it wasn't doing very well over the previous 3 quarters. Then Q3 jump, okay, because of the surge in the semiconductor industry, right? So that is how we take a look at that. Revenue, Elian was saying, revenue with more extended MCO will likely to happen. Can we predict Q1 not going to be good? Okay, this MCO, I think is very different from the one in March where nobody can go out. Okay, eateries, all that must close. I think the eatery now can still open until 10 p.m. Am I right? Okay, so therefore, revenue, so long people are out there spending money, swiping the credit card, then the terminal business should still be there. Or I don't expect revenue to have very, very high earnings, but so long it is better than the previous quarter, is good enough. Okay, revenue. So you can see revenue is also a good company. Fundamentally, it's a good company. Then you come down to the TTM. Okay, quarterly. Okay, this is Q1 2021. So Q2 2021, so long it just be better than Q1 is good enough. Okay, its peak is as high as 0.7 cents. That is the potential of pre-COVID. Okay, so it will not go back to pre-COVID, but at least be better than Q2 2021. That will be good enough. Okay, so this is what we are all waiting for. Earnings date 3rd week of February. Okay, 3rd week of February. Now, since, okay, let me see. Revenue now is doing 137. Okay, 137. So if we can break out successfully this week, about 140, 150, we watch out for the sell candle. I may start to lock in some profit before the earnings week itself. Guys, Pay attention to this. Okay. It is my practice to sell into rally. Okay, pay attention to this. So those of you who are new to the community, members new to the community, and those of you who are not members yet, okay, listening in, okay, it is my habit to sell into the rally, okay, which means the third week of February is usually a lot of companies will announce the earnings, but before that, some of the stock, you can see that seller already appear. Also, I will take the chance to sell some stock. Like for example, if I got 9 stocks, all waiting for the result on third week of February, I will start to sell into those extended movement rally, because if a stock is now trading at 100% EPS growth projection, my God, how can it hit, man? How can it hit, man? Correct or not? Make sense to you? If the market go crazy, really trade at that kind of expectation, then it is always prudent to lock in good profit. Because I always believe, good profit never take, you leave it in the stock market, it is still not yours, you know. Only profit that you lock it in, put inside your pocket, warm, or in your bank account, then it belongs to you. Those of you who agree with me, comment yes. Comment yes. Very good. Very good. I see a lot of yes. Thank you very much for the participation, guys. Appreciate it. Okay. So now with this new system, okay, this the button over here, you will be able to see green arrows telling you that, okay, this is the signal for this stock. Now, but don't take the signal blindly and just buy, yeah. Okay, because you can see this is still a sideways trend. Sideways trend. This rule name is called Trend Master. So if you open up a chart, it is not trending up, don't use. This is best to use for like stock like Tasco. You can see Tasco. Okay, Tasco before it rally up right here. Okay, and also December. I remember I picked up Tasco in December. Why I pick up Tasco in December, guys? Because of this signal. Okay, this signal. Okay, and it's a trending stock. Earnings is good. Okay, let me show you the earnings. Earnings is good. It pulls back. Okay, October, November. I miss it. So I was patient enough to wait for it, for the signal to appear. Okay, so come December. Now, why I didn't buy first week of December, but I buy on the last week of December? Very simple, yeah. Take a look at this. Okay, it is because of the KL SE Strength Index, guys. It was bouncing up. Okay, it was bouncing up. So that is why I bought Tasco right here. Okay, on this arrow, and then soon off it went. Okay, Tasco, right? So this is the best kind of chart to apply this strategy. So I'm sharing with you this because your results, your daily screening, you have this Trend Master. Okay, let's go to the dashboard. You switch to the KLSE. Okay, so this is the results for tonight. These are the stocks that trigger Trend Master V3. So you come to the price chart. Okay, result Trend Master V3. Not all the stocks can be traded. Okay, not all the stocks can be traded. Your job is to check the fundamentals to see that whether is it a stock that is satisfied the what to buy condition. If it is, then you have to wait. You can look for something that has pulled back significantly and it is a very obvious uptrend to you. Then this is the best stock to use this V3, like this Tasco over here. Okay, so after you buy, then you should continue the uptrend. And you also have got PIE back in December when I use this method to buy this PIE. There you go. Okay. PIE November reported strong set of earnings. After that, sell on news happened and it consolidated sideways. But take a look at the volume during the consolidation. It is the same as the Tufu that I was showing you, and it's uptrend. And I know PIE is Ham Yu Fan San. Okay, let me show you the earnings. Okay, it will swing into the profit, okay, for the first time in 3 quarters. Okay, so that is what caught my eye. You can see a TTM is coming down, but this is the first quarter that reported very strong set of earnings and looks set. Okay, looks set to continue. Okay, looks set to continue the earnings, because if you follow the financial statement, it is very bullish, this company. Okay, So this is PIE, but remember it's trading too high in my opinion. Okay, in my opinion, too high. So that is why over here also cannot buy or therefore it pulls back. After earning is out, confirm that the valuation, the projection is too high. After earning is out, sell on news. So we wait for it to consolidate before we buy. So this is exactly the method to apply for those semiconductor stock in March and April. So what happened in November and December will be applied to March and April. Okay, so that is how you use this trend master signal. Okay, now let's talk about trailing stop. Okay, trailing stop. Let me take a look at my watch list. Okay, some of the stock I just muscle, I may not have added the trailing stop. Let's check. VS. Okay, VS is still at a high, so no need to put this trailing stop yet. UWC. Okay, UWC. Wow, so messy. Let me remove the lines. Now, UWC, right? Okay, so now it's trading up, no problem. So what if it crashes down? Crashes down. When to lock in the profit? Because this one we bought at very low. There you go. We bought it here, about 9 ringgit plus. So this is a trading stop, right? So how do you do it? Okay, you click on this button, you go to your horizontal line, and then you place your horizontal line on the red line. You set it to 5th of March. 1 month later, apply. You see your orange line will be drawn there. Okay, the orange line will be drawn there. Maybe it's a bit slow. It will come out later by itself. Okay, so wait, let me try again. Horizontal line. Okay, I think it is a bit slow. Okay, it's a bit slow. I will just wait for it to appear. So after you set this orange line on the trading stop line, so if tomorrow or between now to 5th of March, if the stock price pulls back and touch the red line, it will alert you real time into your Telegram. Okay, that is how you will not miss the signal. So let me show you the sample of these Telegram alerts. Okay. So this is the Telegram alert. Now, this is the Telegram alert. So you can see that this is the ESP bot A. So after you hook up your Telegram to your ESP master, everybody will have a individual bot reporting to you all the alerts that you set and you configure right here. Which are the strategy that you want to receive the alerts and on which exchange. Okay, so these are all individual, you can customize. So you receive the alerts like that. So once you receive the alerts, you open up your chart, okay, and see whether is it really a good candle to buy on this day. So this is how you use this system. Okay. So is this a very useful system to have, everybody? Let me know your thoughts about this new platform. Is it good? Can it help you look for stocks on the what to buy? Can it tell you the timing when to buy? Can it tell you the timing when to sell? Yes or no? If you think it is a very useful system, comment yes. Comment yes. Wendy, Nicholas, thank you for replying. Excellent. Good. Nice. I am glad you guys like it. Okay, I'm glad you guys like it. You know why? Because I'm going to offer you a chance to get this software. Okay, I'm going to offer you a chance to get this software. So this is the Bursa Mentorship Trading Program, where after you join, you will be able to use this very powerful and convenient tool. Okay, my name is Yihua. Okay, mentor for Chart Nexus training program. So the 4 simple steps I already explained to you, so you should know how to pick up stocks already. The link to this web page has been put out at the comments field, so you can click on it and then come to this page. But I'm going to explain to you what do you get in this mentorship program. Other than learning how to make money, you will also have access to this communicator, okay, which is this. Okay, which is this. This is where I broadcast to all the members for important announcement and for them to learn. Like for example, today we patched this software to include the selection of market. And then I talk about, okay, I give them a lesson on relationship between supplier and customer. So I was quoting the example of Tufu, okay, Tufu and Seagate and Western Digital, which is something you have heard already today. And when they see long upper tail, what does it mean? Okay, so these are all very good good lesson to learn. One day ago, I shared with them the art of swapping. Now, let's say you have one underperforming stock and you have got one good stock shouting at you, screaming at you to buy it. So what you can do is you can sell the lousy stock and buy the good stock. So this is one example I wanted to share with the members. Okay, so these are all the learning experience. Okay, like symmetrical triangle pattern that exported on Anju. How do you trade it? Okay, how do you trade it? So this is the all the learning. Price action reading. So every other day when I spotted a very good live example to show you that, hey, this is what we learned in the video. So this is the real trade that is happening right now. So you can take a look at the trade and apply what you have learned, okay, in your trading. So this is the communicator that you will receive. And also now we got Telegram, yeah, Telegram. So you just install the Telegram into your mobile phone, and then you hook up to your own personal ESP master. Remember, this is not a Telegram group. It is not a Telegram group, guys. It is your personal Telegram concierge signal service. Okay, you configure the signal that you want to receive, and then you receive the alerts to yourself only, yeah, to yourself only. So one phone to one ESP master. Okay, one phone to one ESP master. And you have the private group access right here. Okay, this is the private group access. A lot of news, a lot of discussion going on. So let me share with you the units. Units is where the videos are, the training videos are. So you can come in here to learn how to use the tool, like this ESP master user guide right here. Okay, how do you use the tool? And then how do you identify volume? Some of the special topic I want to highlight to you, like volume trigger, to learn how do we establish a volume trigger to enter the stock. Smarter way to buy low. So when you identify a stock that you want to buy low instead of buy breakout, this is the video to come and watch. Okay, when you know how to buy, you must know how to sell. So you must look at take profit and sell rule, followed by trading portfolio management. Okay, how do you manage a winning portfolio of stocks? How many units can you buy for one trade so that your trading account can compound and grow? This is very important. Okay, a lot of people are just trading blindly. They just buy, sell, week in, week out, don't know what's going on. Sometimes they win, sometimes they lose. Let's take, for example, the glove stocks. Okay, so glove stocks, the best time to make money was from March all the way to July. After July, glove stock underperformed. You will make money by trading semiconductor stock at that time. Not gloves anymore. K power, okay, not gloves anymore. So gloves are all coming down, lower high, lower high, lower high. So you must know how to get out of the sector that is no longer in favor and buy the right sectors of stocks, okay? And then this way, by sizing your position, you will be able to grow your trading account. So these are the rest of the technical analysis topics that you can come and beef yourself up on the knowledge side. Okay, so if you don't have time to go through every single videos, okay, you can quickly come to the discussion and join in, and we will tell you what video to watch, okay, as you get up to speed. So in a way, this is like trade as you learn kind of program. Okay, trade as you learn kind of program. What is this? Semiconductor, see, Cash Tan share semiconductor news. Okay, so this is Tu Fu. This is all members talking about the stocks. JF Tech, what is next? And you have got me. And where is my daily discussion? My daily discussion is, wow, so many conversations happening during the dinner time. Okay, let me find the daily discussion. This is the results. Okay, this is the results. So all the members, I encourage them to send their results over here. Now, this is my Tasco. Okay, you can see my Tasco 4006. Okay, and then just I was telling you about Tasco, right? My me, okay, my me 3000. And then I have got UWC, SCIB. SCIB also not bad, 6006. Okay. And I'm not buying a lot. You take a look at my cost, only 10,000. Okay, I believe you also have 10,000, just that you are buying the wrong stock. Okay, selecting the right stock. Okay, selecting a wrong stock, not right stock. So these are some of my members trade. Okay, so I encourage them to post here so that we can inspire the rest of the members that, hey, everybody can do it, just stay focused. Okay, you can see all these stocks, this VS, and then Top Glove. Okay, now this is for vintage. Okay, this is one Top Glove stock that the first post that we traded Top Glove was on 22nd of March. Okay, before the spectacular rally up to 20 ringgit. Okay, so this was the first signal we take on Top Glove. So one for the memory. So I posted it there. Okay, so you can see a lot of discussion going on with a showcase of the trade screenshots, okay, of successful trades. Let me show you the other one about the daily discussion. Okay, daily discussion is, there you go. Wow. Okay, so 2nd of Feb, I put the wrong date again. 2nd of Feb. So every day I will open up a discussion like this so we can come in and ask the question. Okay, if a certain stock that you have or you saw the chart, you think that is very nice, but you see, hey, how come nobody talking about it? Come in and discuss. Okay, for members, come in and discuss. Then all the senior members, experienced traders will come and give some thoughts about the stock. Okay, so this is a very vibrant community. So I invite you to join us right here. Okay, Traders Club private invite. All right. And what else do you get? Okay, of course, you will get all the software that we are using, like for example, the ESP Master with the full features, the FA, the chart with the trailing stop line, with the alerts, okay, with the Telegram alerts also. Okay, all yours. Okay, and you can select up to five stock exchanges right here. So usually people will choose Singapore, KL, US, China, and Hong Kong. Okay, these 5. Then you have the signal on these stocks if you are trading multiple markets. Okay, and the fundamental. Okay, this one to calculate the pips will also be yours so that you can use it during your subscription. So this is some introduction about ourselves. You can come and take a look. Okay, and testimonial. So these are the kind words given to me by our kind members. So you can come and see how the program has helped them. So maybe you also require such a help. You're looking for such a program that is very, very personalized and very, very simple and easy to use. Okay, so this is the program. You can come and see how it has helped other members as well. So you can click on the view more testimonials. Okay, then you can see the latest one. Okay, the latest one. So this is the most relevant. You can switch to the newest one, and these are the newest one. Okay, to come and see the testimonial so that you can understand more the review and how this program help other members. Right, so this is the earning season. We are already right there in February. So the next one is in May. So February now, if you try to buy any stock, it is likely at a very high growth projection. Okay, very risky. So the best bet is to come in, learn, and prepare for May. Okay, prepare for May. So this is the program, and we used to charge about 4288 for the classroom event, but because of COVID, we have moved it online. So you are saving a lot of money by signing up for the online training. Okay, so I've got 2 packages right here, one for the 1 year, one for the 60 days. So if you're someone who is new and not sure whether are you ready to invest and ready to trade, right? You can take the 60 days to try to learn first and see if it's suitable for you. Okay, or if you are someone who already committed and already trading and you feel that, hey, this is a program, this is the software that you are looking for and can help you, then I invite you to join the 1 year program, which you can save much more. Okay, so if you have been losing money in the stock market, okay, I think your method doesn't work. If the method doesn't work, it doesn't make sense to continue. So might as well spend that next 1,000, join the program and learn how to do it together with us. And the other thing that I want to highlight to you is, if you are new today, okay, trading the stock market requires time. So if you are serious, okay, you're serious, you want to really learn how to make money during this COVID-19 stay at home MCO time, okay, Coming to the program to learn will help to shorten your learning curve. Instead of taking years to finally understand how to make money, you are taking months. So it can really help you save time, save money. Right? So if you have any question, feel free to ask at the comments field so that we can help you to answer that. I saw some of my members already started to help me talk about the program. Thanks all the members. 谢谢大家的帮忙，谢谢大家。Okay, for those of you who got question, feel free to ask at the comments field. And if you are ready to sign up, you can click on the link and proceed to the sign up page and click on this sign up now. After you sign up, you will receive a welcome email. The welcome email will have the steps to get to the software, how to log in, and then how to install the communicator, and also how to get access to the Facebook group. Okay, inside the welcome email, look out for it. Okay, look out for it. Now, for those of you who are looking for the installment plan, you can sign up already, talk to your credit card company. I think every one of them offer this credit card installment payment, if I'm not wrong. Almost all the credit card company now offer this because of COVID also. Okay, so I do not have we do not go to the office, so you cannot swipe at the terminal for the installment, but I think you can talk to your credit card company and then arrange your payment to be installment. Okay. Right, let's see. Let's take some question. Okay, Leong Yo is asking, all software program is show and use in program inclusive in package. Yes, Leong Yo, all the software program I'm showing you are all inclusive in the package. Okay, except Google Chrome lah. Chrome, I think your computer have. Okay, then SK Go, when is FA data for US stock ready? Oh, this one we have no plans for the FA data for US stock yet. Okay, because I am still not sure whether I'm ready to conduct the US training or not. So that one I am still on hold. Okay, SK Go, I'm still on hold. And TA is same for US stock, right? Generally yes. Generally yes. Okay, but if you notice the candles and the volume, it is not so obvious on the US stock. Okay, not so obvious. So Bursa stock is still easier to trade than US stocks. I will say it this way. Okay, the chart and code is not real time. It is delayed by 15 minutes. Okay, delayed by 15 minutes. The software can download in tab. Okay, you can open up the software in your tablets. Okay, tablets, but not full feature. Yeah, not full feature, because you can see so many things, right? So many things. It is best to use laptop, because if you put on the tablet or iPad, everything will be congested, very small. So it should work on the mobile web as well. Wow, thank you all the 各位兄弟帮忙. I see a lot of you help me to answer at the comments field. So that should give the new members a confident booster. Okay, over at YouTube, BK Tan is asking any difference between 6 month and yearly. There's no 6 month. I think it is 2 month, 2 month. 60 days, 2 month. Okay, so you buy the 1 year, you actually save more. Okay, you save more money. So therefore, I say if you are really committed, you should go for the 1 year. Okay, trade with us for 1 year. It will be better. Or for best results. 1 year is 1914. Okay, 1914. Joseph Tam. So assuming FA is good, when I see the arrow means signal to go in. Joseph Tan. Okay, Joseph Tam asked a question about using this software, right? Okay, so the stock selection process. Once you let me go back up here. Yeah. Okay, let me go back up here. Let me just quickly talk through about these 4 steps. So after you screen out the stock, okay, using the software, from the list, you choose the most bullish chart that's showing you buyer in control. Then you evaluate the financial performance in terms of earnings. Okay, then only you take the green arrow as your signal to buy. Okay, so it must qualify the above selection. Okay, so Joseph, I hope I answer your question. Hey, members, you forgot to mention my 八字 is very strong this year. SK Go, the program doesn't come with, oh yeah, every week I will have a meeting with the members. Forgot to talk about this, okay? So every Monday, there will be a private meeting with the members, okay? Only for members, private meeting. Yep, every Monday there will be a private meeting with the members, and yeah. And also, one more thing is, if you have been thinking and you've been following this webinar for a long time, one reason for you, okay, one reason for you why you should sign up soon is because after Chinese New Year there will be a price revision. Okay, after the Chinese New Year there will be a price revision, so take advantage of it right now. SK Go pure self online learning. Yeah, you go online, you learn from the units, the video, training video. And then after that, you'll be able to understand the signals. Then every Monday we have a live webinar. Then you can ask the questions over there at the live webinar. Richard Ong, if you sign 21st means Feb 22nd expire. Wow, I do not know, man. Should be lah, should be. 1 year is, yeah lah, 1 year is 1 year, yeah lah, correct lah. Feb 21 to Feb 22 lah, correct lah, 1 year. Richard Ong, 1 year is correct. CNY promo, CNY promo, I can neither confirm nor deny at this present moment. Okay, but usually when we run any promotion, right, those members who sign up within that month will also automatically get the same promo. Okay, that means the bonus and whatever. So don't worry about missing out on the Chinese New Year promo.地面最强软件，哇，你的华语真的是好棒。当然，我们会一直不断的加强我们的软件。1914 is the yearly subscription fee. That is right. That is right. It's actually for the software, but it comes with the training. Okay, it comes with the training. Wow, Kim Boon, sweet. I think you put it very nicely. Give you a heart. Hey, Jared, you put it very nicely. Learn when the market is tough, and then when the market is selling, we sell together. Hey, this reminds me of the Bursa I was showing everybody just now. Let me bring back to the Bursa chart. I don't know whether have you come online just now or not. FBM, KLCI. Okay, I was thinking about the good old times when I was doing my evening walk just now. Oh, I feel like an old man. Instead of running, I was actually walking. Because I ran too much, my ankle hurt. So therefore, I started to walk instead. Okay, until my ankle recovered. Now, this is the very good 7 months, okay, in KLCI, in my life. Okay, and let me say this. If you think January was very good, right? In my life, these 7 months in my life was the best. It was so easy to make money during this time, okay? From July 2006 to 2007 February. Every week, the market will pull back, close higher, pull back, close higher. So the intraday, intra-week, Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday will pull back. Friday always close up. Friday always close up. This was the easiest market ever, the legendary bull market. Okay, so this is what Jared means. When the time is easy, when the market is selling, you are ready to capitalize. You dare to hut tua tua. Okay. Jessica Lu, is it using Viewer Trader? No, no, no. This is built by Chart Nexus. We are our own developer. We built this chart by ourselves. Okay. The platform that you're looking at is built by us. Okay, guys. Any last question? Any last question before we call it a night? Okay, Sharon Leong, I am already a Chart Nexus member. By signing up this course, how does it affect my membership subscription? Okay, if you are an old member of the ESP Master without the Pro era, that means very, very long ago, then after you sign up this new program, your old subscription will be updated to this new program, which means, for example, if your expiry is end of 2021, but because you sign this new program, your subscription will be, your existing subscription will be converted to a new one, and we extend it further. Okay, so that you do not lose any time in your old subscription. Right. The sign up link has already been posted at the comment field and also at the video description. So I welcome you to click on it and go to the page to find out more about the program. And we also have got email, contact email and WhatsApp under the video description. Okay, so if you have got question before you want to sign up, you can also go and ask us the question. Jessica, this is not a software to download. This is web-based. Okay, web-based. Okay, so long you have a Google Chrome, it will work well. Google Chrome, Jessica Lu. Google Chrome, it's like Gmail. Okay. Joseph Tam, will you have face-to-face training after the lockdown? Joseph, for as of now, we got no plans for do face-to-face training. Okay, because before COVID-19, I was actually traveling around the Malaysia Peninsula, from East Malaysia to West Malaysia. So I will be flying to KK in Sabah, then I will come down to Miri to Kuching to JB to KL to Ipoh to Penang. So that was my route for the whole month, you know, my road show. I call it my road show. So that time we were doing face-to-face. But since I come online to do this webinar, I find that it is more efficient use of my time, and I can one-shot talk to the whole Malaysia. So it is even more wonderful. So for face-to-face, I doubt it will happen. Oh yeah, forgot to, you see, I am a very humble person. You know. I got a lot of trade record to show you, but I forgot to show you just now. So this is the trade record of the yesteryear, 2018, 2019 trade record. You can see that back in those time, right? We are already starting to, you know, collect this kind of trade record, because members, okay, if I win, right, maybe nothing surprising because I'm the trainer, right? But if my members can do it, it means that the strategy is simple and, you know, easy for people to follow and trade, right? So these are the old trade records I wanted to share with you, contributed by the members. Okay, so this is Top Glove before COVID. I wonder, can we see a date here? There you go, March. Oh, this is March 2020. Before COVID. So this is also March. Okay, so this is the Top Gloves. And you have got Muda Jaya back in those days. This circle one is the amount won, okay, because it's too small, I scared you cannot see. So Muda Jaya, Perdana, Chrono, Muda Jaya. So these are the kind of profit that we are making. They are your everyday people, okay. So it is like your colleague, your friends. You take a look at their trading size. It is a amount that you are able to afford. You are maybe trading this size now. It's just that you are buying the wrong stock without the guidance. Okay. Then so this is Muda Jaya. And then we have got GDB. Okay, back in those days, GDB still can trade, but not now, yeah. GDB, and we have got like this, me. Okay, me is my best friend. That time only 218, guys. 218. Now, wow, now what time? Now is 5 ringgit. Now it's 5 ringgit stock, 520 today. Okay, so back in the days when it was only doing 218, we already started to trade me. So this is 3,008 profit and so on. Okay, and we have got Jakes. Okay, we traded Jakes as well. This is Elsoft. And we have got Chrono. Okay, Chrono, more Chrono here. So this is Jetiasa. Okay, when the plantation stocks are going up, we are in that sector as well. Okay, FP Group, my ex-girlfriend FP Group. Okay, and we have got more FP Group here. We've got revenue. Okay, now revenue in 2019. This one gotta be 2019. There you go, 2019. Okay, so 2019, we are very crazy about revenue because the revenue chart is easy to trade, guys. I show you the revenue chart, right? You will understand why I am so excited about revenue back in 2019. It is the chart to trade back in 2019. It is super easy. Okay, I want to show you. You see? Super easy. Take a look at the trading volume. Okay, and it is a good company. So back in 2019, we are already making money trading this revenue, and that time was December when it sparked off this wonderful rally. So the rally that you see nowadays, like Tasco lah, Pi lah, JF Tech, it is not unusual. You know, last time already have. Okay, so we were there. Same method. Okay, same method. Different stock. Okay, same method, different stock. Revenue, more revenue here. And we've got GCB, chocolate maker last time. Okay, and Rand Hill, we have got Perdana, IWCT. Okay, IWCT is here. And Gadang, okay, Gadang. Hume Industry. Okay, Hume Industry. So these are all the old trades, 2019. Okay, same method. I still got some more. Same method, different stock. Okay, so I wanted to show you this. I forgot. So in a way to prove to you that the method works. Okay, not just during this bullish time, but so long the market is trending up, okay, the company are making earnings. These are the companies that we trade. Jared, joker are you? The more people subscribe, then we got more money to invest and build better software. Wow, I like, man. Okay, Jasmine, you asked how to spell sector rotation. It requires the followship. Okay, you need to follow the stock market and every day do the screening. You will notice the stocks are usually move together. So when you get a signal in, for example, you get a signal in Franken, then automatically you must go and check FP Group, Me, UWC, Unisem, Pentamaster. So that is how we know the sector is moving. Talk about plantation stock, then you have to check the KLK, Jetiasa, Rasawit, TH plants. Okay, so this is how you do it. Okay, after you follow the market for some time, you will know what are the sectors, okay, and also what are the stocks in the sectors to trade. Okay, Richard Ong, welcome. If I have a gong, I will bang. Gong you. So see you tomorrow in the community, Richard. Joseph, let me see. Joseph, some of the stocks you buy are high price. How much capital we need minimum to profit from your cost? Okay, Joseph asked a very valid question. Without capital, if you're undercapitalized, it is a problem. Okay, so I recommend you must have minimum 最少also 10,000 最少 minimum 10,000. If you got 20,000, 50,000, it is very comfortable. You can start to learn. Okay. If you got 100, 200,000, then it is easier. Okay, easier. You got more stocks to choose from. All right. Okay, so it's already 11 p.m. We have to sleep now. Thanks, guys, for joining in tonight's webinar, and also thanks to the community for sharing your thoughts about the program and giving me your kind words over the comment session. So, right, we will see you in the next Monday. Those of you who joined tonight, we're going to see you in the next Monday members only webinar. And those of you who are still undecided, you come back again next Wednesday. Okay, we talk about more stocks. So that's all for tonight. Thank you, guys. See you soon. Bye.